Have you heard? In about 4 billion years, our Milky Way galaxy will collide with the Andromeda galaxy, merging into a massive elliptical galaxy. If that day really comes, will our solar system still exist? Will humanity survive? The Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy are the two largest galaxies in the local group, and although they are 3 million light-years apart, their immense gravitational forces have overcome the expansion of the universe, pushing them onto a collision course. Throughout the Milky Way's long history, it has undergone countless interactions and mergers with other galaxies, fueling the continued growth of our galaxy. How did scientists discover that this collision has already begun? The mystery lies in a special class of stars, the high-speed stars. These stars move through the galaxy like cosmic superbullets, traveling at incredible speeds of around 1,000 kilometers per second. Their speed is so great that they can escape the gravitational pull of the galaxy. However, searching for these high-speed stars among the roughly 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy is no small feat. To study high-speed stars coming from the Andromeda galaxy, astronomers conducted simulations. They carefully analyzed the relative motion of the two galaxies and constructed an accurate model, accounting for both the visible matter and the mysterious dark matter's gravitational effects. With two different mass settings, they simulated the trajectories of 18 million high-speed stars. Through these simulations, scientists were excited to discover that some high-speed stars could reach the regions surrounding the Milky Way. Some of these stars, after slowing down, were captured by the Milky Way's gravity. From the sky map, it can be seen that these high-speed stars are nearly evenly distributed around the center of the galaxy. This galactic collision is not just a rare astronomical phenomenon, but also an important opportunity for humanity to explore the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights.